Hello students, I am Sunaina Mishra and in today's lecture I am going to discuss one of the topic of your first unit, which is Registrar of the Supreme Court. In this topic we are going to discuss about who is a registrar and what are his powers and duties, and so that we can discuss about his role in our Supreme Court Rules 2013. As per the rules of Supreme Court's, as per Supreme Court Rules 2013, registrar means the registrar of a court, and it shall also include additional registrar of the court. Now, question is, what is his role in Supreme Court? What are his powers and duties? So, I shall be discussing all these points with while referring to the provisions that are given in Supreme Court Rules 2013. As per these rules, if we talk about what are the powers of registrar, then it is all about following matters. That registrar shall keep a list of all the cases pending before the court and shall, at the commencement of each term, prepare and publish on the notice board website of a court a list of all the cases ready for hearing in each class separately, to be called a terminal list. So it's very simple to understand that one of the powers of registrar is relating to the preparation of the terminal list, whereby he is expected or he shall, it is his duty or it is his power as well, that he shall be preparing a list whereby he will be putting all the things in a, whereby he will be preparing a list in which he will be mentioning all the matters separately at the end of each term. So it is it is one of his like main task, whereby he is supposed to keep a track of all the matters that are pending before the court. Second is, out of this terminal list that is that will be prepared by him as per rule 1, which I have discussed earlier with you just now, he shall also publish on the notice board or website of the court at the end of the each week a list of cases to be heard in the following week, as far as possible in the order in which they appear in the terminal list. So it's all about that all the matters that he will list out in the terminal list, he will be preparing. It's like a cause list. So in the coming week, what are the matters that Supreme Court will be dealing with? He shall be preparing a list of all these matters like day wise. So he will be preparing a record whereby he will be mentioning that in the coming week, which what are those matters that will be listed before the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court will be hearing these cases. Subject, it also says it is all subject to the directions of the Chief Justice and of the court. If any out of the weekly list shall publish at the end of each day a daily list of cases to be heard by the court on the following day. So here you should understand it very properly that this task of preparing the terminal list and uh, in